Most welcome students. Now today we are discussing the packing percentage and packing efficiency of a different type of the unit shells. Clear? So you see that here I am discussing packing efficiency and packing percentage. It means how much closely packed of a different type of the unit shell and as well as how much the void is there. It means a vacant place. Now we are talking about the packing fraction. Packing fraction is equal to rank into volume of one atom, means 4 by 3 pi r cube, upon volume of volume of unit shell. Clear? If we finding the packing if percentage, very simple. If we are finding the packing percentage, in the same formula we multiply the 100, so that one is a coming volume of unit shell into 100. So first of all we are coming the first one. This is the first type of the unit shell. This is a simple cubic unit shell. This is called in a short SCC, and this is also called a PC, means a primary unit shell. So how to find out packing efficiency and packing percentage? We know that rank is always 1. So you know that R is equal to A by 2 relation. So packing percentage, I am directly write 1 into 4 by 3, 22 by 7 in place of pi, or R value is A by 2 whole cube upon A cube into 100. So that one is actually coming at the 52.4 percentage. This is a packing percentage. Void means empty space. Empty space, that one is not occupy the molecules. So 100 minus 52.4. So this is a coming a 47.6 percentage. Clear? So that one is a for SCC. Now we are coming the second type of the unit shell. In the second type of the unit shell, we already know that this is face centered unit shell. This is called in a short, this is called FCC. You know that that one has a rank. You already know that Z is equal to, for FCC is a 4, and relation between a radius and a edge length is R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. So we find out the packing percentage. This is a 4 into 4 by 3. Pi value is 22 by 7. And that one is a value is A upon 2 root 2 the power 3, right? And this is a cube and multiply by the 100. So that one is a coming in a 74%. Means a void or vacant place or empty space is 100 minus 74%, means this is a 26%, right? It means it has a good packing in comparison to this is SCC. Now we are coming the third one. The third one, this is called body centered unit shell. Body centered unit shell, this is called a BCC. You know that rank is 2, clear? And you also know that here the R value is equal to root 3 by 4a. So you may calculated the value of per packing percentage. If P is equal to 2, 4 by 3, 22 by 7 upon into root 3 by 4 a whole cube upon a cube into 100. So that one is coming as 68%. Means empty space or void, this is coming 100 minus 68. So this one is coming is 32%. Clear? So in this way we find out the all type of the crystals SCC, BCC and FCC. But the remaining some important one is there. This is coming in your competitive exam mostly. So here we are discussing that the same one is also. The fourth one is this is a tetrahedral packing in diamond. Clear? So you must be see that first of all you find out the what is the actual structure of that one. So we draw it and you very sincerely see it. What is the actually arrangement of it? This is the primary unit shell you see over here. Clear? Now you see that they are divided like that way, this way, and here. Similarly, this, that, and that one is there. And here, and here. So how the molecules are arranged? How the molecules are arranged? Now see that. In each corner is arranged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here 8. Now you must remember that one of them is exist in that place. Clear? This is the place of that one, which is a former tetrahedral. And arrangement is like that. You see in a central elements, this one. Here, this. And here in a center one also. So this one is arranged, this one and that one. You again see very clearly of that one whatever I wanted to explain over here. This is a 1. So 1 is arranged in that place. You see 1 is this one. This is 1. And this is we named it 2. So 2, 1 is where you see 2 is present in that place. This is a 2. And here I am named it, this is a 3. Clear? So this 3 is a exist over here. This one. This is a central one. And that one is arranged with in a back side of the 4, this one, and this is a fifth one. So the fifth one is coming in that place, this. Now you find out all. Clear? So you may see that what is the rank and what is the formula of that one, then you find out. Z. You may know that all the 4 atoms which are exist in a center in each corner, in this point, and here 2, here 3, and here is, this is a 4. So 4 is to 1. Clear? Each corner means SCC, 8 is to 1 by 8. Plus in each face 6 into 1 by 2. Clear? If you have any problem, then we explain it very clearly in an elaborate form. You see this structure again, because if you're finding some confusion where it will be existence is there, then you very clearly find out it. This is SCC. I'm draw above. After that, I'm a draw like that way. You see that here this line, this line, this line, and that line. And here I'm draw this one, this, and that one is there. Now very clearly and very sharply you see that. Very sharply. One line is coming like that way. One line is coming like that way. One line is coming in that way. One line is coming in that way. Now first of all you see that FCC. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a back side 5, and a lower side 6. So that one is, this is a FCC. This is, you see that SCC. Then you see that this is a FCC. And I'm draw like here, I'm giving the different color. One, this is it. How many cubes are there? One cube is divided in a 4 parts. So one atom is attached in this first cube. Second is exist attached this cube. Second. Third in a lower cube. Fourth is here. I am talking about this one. Third. All 4 atom in given a small cube center. Small cube के center में थे. So this one is 4:1. Central means this is actually a body. Now in this way, beta, you get the rank. Which one is a 4, 1, and 2 3s are 6. So that one is a 8. Now very clearly you know that. Now after that we are coming the edge length. Of a small cube. This is already half of the original one, means A by 2. So original is, this is A. So this is A by 2 small cube. Clear? And body diagonal of a smaller cube, this is a √3 A by 2. Clear? So the relation of radii with that one is √3 by 2 A is equal to 4R. so that R is equal to root 3 by 8A. Now very clearly we find out the packing percentage. Rank is I coming 8, 4 by 3, 22 by 7. R value is root 3 by 8. A into thrice upon volume is coming is a cube into 100. That one is coming is, you see that this is coming at 34%. Packing is coming is 34% in tetrahedral packing in a diamond. Packing in a diamond is there. The last one, without wasting our time, we are coming. The last one is, this is a packing in a hexagonal pack. Packing in hexagonal cube. Not a cube, in a hexagonal packing. In a hexagonal packing. We already find out the Z value of that one in a previous one. This is a 12 into 1 by 6 plus 3 is to 1 plus 2 is to half. This is a coming always as a 6. Volume, you always remember that this is a coming is a Z into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is a coming 8 pi r cube. Clear? Height of that one is actually 2 by 3 root 3a. You must remember, not need to the calculated. And after that we are finding the phase diagonal, because in each phase that one is exist. So phase diagonal value is equal to root 3a is equal to 4r, means not a root 3, so root 2a is 4r, means r is equal to root 2 upon 4a. So this is a value is equal to whatever is coming 2 root 2 r. So height is equal to 2 by 3 root 3 into 2 root 2 r. Clear? So this is a 4 root 2 upon root 3 r. Clear? And you must remember that area of hexagonal is equal to, we put the value, then this is coming as 6r cube. Clear? And put the value of area and height. Then the volume is coming. You multiply it very well. Then you find out the value is coming. This is a value of that and this. Then the value is coming is 24 root 2. R cube is coming. Then the packing percentage is equal to coming is 8 pi r cube upon 8 pi r cube upon, this is coming at 24 root 2 into r cube into 100. This is coming in a 74%. It means void is coming beta g, void is coming is a 26%. In this way we find out the packing percentage and packing efficiency of the different one. In the next video, I am discussing the next point of the same chapter, because it's a very, very important chapter. If you like whatever I'm explaining over here, you must like and share with your friends. Thank you and thanks a lot.